Good morning, students. This is Mahendra, lecturer in mathematics. Today we are discussing about Laplace transform of division by t. Okay, in this Laplace transform of division by t, we have one important problem. Let us discuss one problem. Find the Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t divided by t. Okay, find the Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t divided by t. It is in the form of Laplace transform of f of t divided by t. This is equal to integral s to infinity f bar of s into ds. So we have to find out the value of f bar of s. So now consider that f of t is equal to 1 minus cos t. Then apply Laplace transform on both sides. We get Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t. Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f bar of s. Laplace transform of a sum is equal to sum of the Laplace transform. Laplace transform of 1 is equal to 1 by s. Laplace transform of cos t is equal to s divided by s square plus 1 square. It is in the form of Laplace transform of cos at. Okay, Laplace transform of cos at is equal to s divided by s square plus a square. Here a is equal, the coefficient of t is 1, so we can written as s divided by s square plus 1 square. Therefore a bar of s is equal to 1 by s minus s divided by s square plus 1. Now apply division by t formula. Okay, Laplace transform of f of t divided by t is equal to integral s to infinity a bar of s into ds. Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t divided by t is equal to integral s to infinity. The value of f bar of s is 1 by s minus s divided by s square plus 1 into ds. We know that integration of 1 by s in the form of integration of 1 by x into dx, that is equal to logarithm of x plus c. So we can written as integration of 1 by s into ds is equal to logarithm of s. So integration of s divided by s square plus 1 is not in standard form. So we have to convert it into standard form, multiply with 2 and divide by 2 of this fraction. We get 2s 1 by 2 into 2s divided by s square plus 1, okay, which is not in standard form, so we have to convert it into standard form, multiply with 2 and divided by 2 of this fraction. Okay, that is 1 by 2 into 2s divided by s square plus 1. Okay, it is in the form of integration of f dash of x divided by f of x into dx, that is equal to logarithm of f of x plus c. Derivative of s square plus 1, derivative of s square is 2s, derivative of 1 is 0. So 2s plus 0 is 2s. So it is in the form of integration of f dash of x divided by f of x into dx, that is equal to logarithm of f of x plus c. So we can written as 1 by 2 into integration of logarithm of denominator, that is s square plus 1, between the limit s to infinity. Now taking common 1 by 2 from this two terms, okay, taking common 1 by 2 from these two terms, so we get 1 by 2 into 2. 1 by 2 into 2 means logarithm of, by cancellation of 2 we get logarithm of s. So taking common 1 by 2 from these two terms, we get 1 by 2 into logarithm of s minus logarithm of s square plus 1. It is in the form of n into logarithm of m, can be written as logarithm of m to the power of n. So we can written as logarithm of s square minus logarithm of s square plus 1 between the limits s to infinity. And also in the form of logarithm of m minus logarithm of n is equal to logarithm of m by n. So we can written as logarithm of s square divided by s square plus 1 between the limit s to infinity. Therefore 1 by 2 into logarithm of s square divided by s square plus 1 between the limits s to infinity. Put s is equal to infinity in this value, we get logarithm of infinity square divided by infinity square plus 1 minus, put s is equal to s in this logarithm of s square divided by s square plus 1, we get logarithm of s square divided by s square plus 1. Logarithm of this value is equal to 0 minus logarithm of s square divided by s square plus 1. Same, it is in the form of n into logarithm of m, can be written as logarithm of m to the power of n. Okay, therefore a by b whole to the power of minus 1 is equal to b by a by b whole to the power of minus 1 is equal to b by a. Therefore 1 by 2 into logarithm of s square plus 1 divided by s square. Therefore Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t divided by t is equal to 1 by 2 into logarithm of s square plus 1 divided by s square. Okay, this is the required solution. Prepare very well. Thank you.